What's up guys, Razor here with another iPhone video for you guys today. On a lot of my iPhone videos, particularly the case videos, I've always been asked in the comment section, what screen protector do I use on my iPhone? And as an iPhone reviewer for the last number of years, there's two brands I like to use. The Moshi Ion Glass, which is the one I have on here right now, as well as Brando's 3D curved glass screen protector. The reason I'm changing it right now is because I dropped my phone once. I think a piece of gravel or something hit it right on the edge here, which you can see it cracked, and there's also a big crack that goes across the screen, which you can't really see in the video, but at least it's not on the actual iPhone display. At least I hope not when I take this off, but that is the reasons why I sport a tempered glass screen protector, as it is cheaper to replace these than the actual phone itself. So as you can see here, I got an extra Brando 3D curved tempered glass screen protector. The Moshi one's nice. It's just a little bit more expensive than the Brando one, so if price is a bit of an issue, I do recommend the Brando one here. I think it's about 20 some odd dollars, so it's not cheap, but not too crazy expensive either. So underneath this, we have a little microfiber cloth and some dust removal stickers. And in this little red package, in this foam protective pouch, we have the actual screen protector here, which you can see gives you edge-to-edge protection, and of course a little cutout for the earphone on the top. So one of the first things that I have to do here is remove my old screen protector that has the busted edge on it. And if you have a case on your phone, take that off first. And right now we're going to find out whether or not this screen protector actually protected my phone. So we're going to carefully take off the Moshi Ion Glass screen protector. And this is probably the first, you can see where the crack is too there. This is probably the first time I've actually done this on YouTube, removing a screen protector. And thankfully, the screen protector did its job. It protected the iPhone screen underneath. So this I can easily throw away, but of course replacing this is a little bit more expensive. So definitely worthwhile to get a tempered glass screen protector, as I already mentioned in this video. One thing you will notice when you take these edge screen protectors off is that the edge part of these screen protectors don't actually adhere to the iPhone screen. So when you take them off, you will notice a whole bunch of lint and stuff around the edge of the iPhone. You could either wipe it off with a screen cleaner and a microfiber cloth, or you could use 3M tape and just kind of stick it on and pull all the lint and stuff that kind of accumulated around the edge of the iPhone. So that's another easy way to do it. The other way, of course, is just using a microfiber cloth and spray, get a little on your phone, and wipe it off. So if you want a really clean install and remove every speck of dirt, dust, and stuff like that as much as possible, grab some 3M tape, specifically 3M because they don't leave very much residue, if at all. Line it just over the length of the iPhone and place your tape around it. So once you got your entire front of your iPhone covered with 3M tape, we're going to peel this off and immediately put this one on. So once you got the screen protector on, you can use a microfiber cloth in your fingers to kind of push away against some of the bubbles. If you have a really stubborn bubble, you can just leave it. Eventually it does go away on its own, usually within 24 hours. So I got one speck of fabric or something in there, and you can actually fix that just by lifting the screen protector up a bit and using 3M tape to remove it. Alright, so here it is. I managed to get all the bubbles out. It's not 100% like dust free. I can still see a few little particles here and there, but they're not causing any bubbles. Basically, it's pretty much impossible to do it 100% dust free unless you're doing like some sort of vacuum sealed environment. But for me, I'm pretty OCD, so you guys should know that my standards are pretty high in regards to a screen protector installation. and so far I'm pretty impressed with this. So anyways, this is what the Brando 3D curved tempered glass screen protector looks like. Very similar to the Moshi Ion that I took off. The oleophobic coating seems to be a little bit better on the Brando. It's slick, it's resists fingerprints, and also very easy to wipe them off as well. Here is a closer look at the edge of the screen protector, which you can see here pretty much reaches 99% coverage of the glass display of the iPhone. There's a tad of the original display showing right at the edge of the screen protector, but of course if you ever drop this or something hits it, it's going to hit the screen protector first before anything else. So, and that plus you have a case around it too. The only cutout on the screen protector is the earpiece on the top here. I haven't ran into any issues in regards to the proximity sensor or the light sensors. They seem to work just fine. Same thing with the FaceTime camera. This part where all the sensors are, is the black portion is actually left transparent. So it's going through glass, which is the most transparent material that the average consumer can get. So I wouldn't be too worried about the sensors not working. I've used the Moshi one for the longest time, and again, no issues there. What I like about these edge screen protectors is that many case companies like OtterBox here are making them a lot more compatible with these style of screen protectors. So when you put a case on, it reaches just right at the edge of the glass display but doesn't overlap it, which means it fits perfectly. It doesn't bubble up the screen protector like past cases did. And this one here is the OtterBox commuter case. I've gotten away with it with the OtterBox Signature case, spec cases. The only ones that you may not get away with is like a LifeProof case or the OtterBox Defender case, where they do overlap the original glass display. But most case companies are being a little bit more proactive in ensuring that their cases don't interfere with edge-style screen protectors. So that is a quick overview, look, install, and demo of the Brando tempered glass screen protector. This screen protector is available for all iPhones. This one here is demonstrated on an iPhone 11 Pro Max, but of course is available for the iPhone 11, the iPhone 10, the iPhone 8, so pretty much all the iPhone models, at least the most more recent ones. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Any questions or comments, ask me in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.